During the summer of 2007, CEMATRIX produced and placed cellular concrete on a greenfield industrial site in Northern Alberta. The project required a layer of CEMATRIX CMI 425 insulating cellular concrete to be placed above a number of shallow buried utility lines. CEMATRIX mobilized one of its state-of-the-art dry mix production units to the site in preparation for production and placement of the insulating cellular concrete. Water tanks and a cement portabulker arrive and are located on site. Then the CEMATRIX mobile dry mix batch plant is positioned alongside. Two augers, one for cement and one for fly ash, are removed from their travel mounts in the batch plant and positioned at the rear of the unit. Two portable silos are then positioned over the augers. Bulk cement is delivered to site and blown into the portabulker, which holds up to 4 full truckloads. Cement is then transferred into one of the two silos. Bulk fly ash is delivered and blown into the other silo. The bulk powder feeds from each silo into the augers and is conveyed by a fully automated computerized system into the batch mixing plant. It is dosed into one of the plant's twin mixing pods, where it is mixed with water and blended with high-speed impellers. The mixed cement and fly ash slurry is then discharged from the first mixing pod into a buffer tank, while the second mixing pod starts to produce a second batch. The slurry is then suctioned from the buffer tank by twin peristaltic pumps, which pump the slurry through the 3-inch discharge line. Meanwhile, preformed stable foam is produced by combining air, water, and foaming agent in a computer-controlled foam generator system. The foam is injected in line into the slurry, where it mixes under turbulent flow. The CEMATRIX cellular concrete production process is fully automated. The system is controlled and continually monitored by a highly trained dry mix batch plant operator. The utility trench and utility lines are prepared prior to cellular concrete placement. Simple formwork may be used if required. Fresh cellular concrete is extremely fluid and is typically pumped and placed through hoses, allowing flexibility in setup and placement locations. CEMATRIX cellular concrete may be produced and placed at a rate of up to 150 cubic meters per hour, depending on the required density, and pumped up to 1 kilometer from the dry mix batch plant. Quality assurance and quality control is an important part of the production process. All of the required parameters of the cellular concrete are considered before the start of the job, and a custom mix design or recipe is developed by highly experienced CEMATRIX materials personnel. The recipe is input into the mobile batch plant's onboard computer system. The material properties are verified and recorded at regular intervals, ensuring the highest quality materials produced and placed. The cellular concrete typically hardens overnight and is ready for backfill the next day.